Hello, hi, welcome back to Success Automation. This is this in this series I am going to um, talk about JavaScript coding related to the automation. So this is the part number two. In this series, in this I am going to talk about how to run the JavaScript in the online editor. If you don't have the VS Code or Node.js in your machine, you can learn the JavaScript, basic JavaScript in the online editor. So how to write the script in the online editor and how to execute, that is what I'm going to talk about today. So quickly go to the Google page and type JavaScript online editor. Just select this one. So once you get this one, there are a lot of online editors. Better one is this one. So if you see here, left hand side, you'll get a window where you can write the code. So the first two lines, these are comments. So I don't want to explain this one now. So this is the online editor. You can work JavaScript on this editor as well. So in this, there is a method called that there is a class called console, and there is a method log, and some text it has, they are written by default. Whenever you want to run this, just go to this run, click on this. So once you click on this run command, whatever whatever the code you return, the output will be printed here in this section, right side, this output. This is the main.js where you can write the code and the output you will get it. So here by default they are given some value. I can type it something here. Welcome to JavaScript. Anything you can give. Just write it and click on run. You'll get the output at the right hand side. So not only you can practice JavaScript in the VS Code in the part 1 as I told, you can run the you can you can learn the JavaScript on the online editor as well. So this is the console.log. So console.log is like a print statement in Java. Um, it is a print statement like in Python print statement, and in Java system dot out dot out dot println. Similar to like this console.log. Console is a class and log is a method. Under that, you need to give the text whatever you want to display on your console. Anything text you can give, but it should be in the double quotes or single quote. You can give like this as well. Just give like this and just run. Once you run this, you'll get the output. So JavaScript accept single quotes or double quotes for the string. You can give in the double quotes or single quotes. So like this, you can write multiple console statements. See, for example, here this is my first JS program. So I just given inside the codes. When you run this, first it will print this welcome to JavaScript, and next it will print the next console. So this is my first JavaScript. So whatever text you give here inside this codes, it will display. And you can write something again. You want one more thing. Demo on JavaScript online editor. So I have written another console.log demo on JavaScript online editor. So just click this. So again it will print. So like this you can practice in the online editors. There are a lot of editors. The better one is this one. So now I'll remove this. Just select this and click delete key. Now I want to declare one variable. Variables are nothing but the containers where you can store the value. For example, I want to store a is equal to 10. Here let is the here let is the here let is the reservoir and a is a variable and 10 is the value. So now I have assigned this. I need to print this. So just give a, it will print the a value. It won't print a, it will print the a value. So a has a value 10. So just yeah, it will give the a value. So whenever you give inside a console.log a, it won't print a, it will print the value of a. And here I just declare a variable a. So here it is printing just 10 here, but people don't know what is a. So to label this, you can do like this: value of a equal to. Now when you run this, first it will print this value of a string, then just give comma. After that, if you give the variable, it will print this statement, this string. After that, it will print the a value. So I quickly run this. So if you see here, whatever the thing you have given in the string, it has printed here value of a, and a means the value of the a, it will print here. Like that you can declare any variable. For example, let uh, roll number, the roll number is 220 something, and you want to print the roll number. Copy the console, you can give the string here, roll number, student roll number, you can give anything here, student roll number. So variable, what is the variable name? Roll number, just you need to give here. Now it will print the a value of a, this one, as well as it will print this string student roll number and actual roll number. So roll number is a container, it's a variable, and it has a value 2001 that will print here. So any variable you can give, that variable should be a single word, you should not give like this. A variable is a single word. It is it is not two words. You have to give single word. So always give like this. Now I want let name is equal to Virat Kohli. I just declare the variable name, and let is a reserved, name is a variable, and the value is Virat Kohli. Something, some name you can give. I want to print this. So I don't want all this. You can remove this and console.log and name of a cricket player dash 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 name. So let name Virat Kohli. So what I have done, I just given in the quotes name of the name of a cricket player. Same thing will display dot dot dot, and I have given the variable name. So name has the value Virat Kohli. It displaying. So like this, you can store the value in a variable integer value. You can store any big number. You can, whenever you want to store the string, you have to give a double quotes. And there are different data types. I'll just go here. Yeah, boolean value. Boolean value nothing but I'll go here. So boolean value is let flag is equal to true. So now I have declared the variable flag and I have assigned the true. So now this variable will become the boolean type. Boolean means it will store boolean. Boolean means it will store true 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 or false. So now I want to print this value. Console boolean value. Just give the flag here. Run. So first it will print the boolean value dash dot dash and value. Value has a true. Now it is printing true. You can give false as well. The boolean value will be either true or false. Only two values it will store. Like this, this is the third data type. Okay. String number boolean array. Array is nothing but you can store more than one value. Now I'll show now here. Now previously we have stored let a is equal to 10. Only one value we stored. Now we want to store multiple values in a variable. More than one value you want to store. Then you have to go with a array. Array is nothing but it will store the multiple values in a single variable. So array is a, for example, you want to store roll numbers, 1001, 2001, 3001, 4001. So whenever you want to store more than one value, okay, whenever you want to store more than one value, you can go for the array. Array will store more than one value in a single variable. So now console.log roll number. See, it has printed all the values. So this roll number is a variable and let is a reserved. Whenever you want to assign the value in an array, you have to store in this angular bracket. This is called as an angular bracket. This one, left side. This is an angular bracket, and this is an angular bracket. You have to go. You have to give inside the angular bracket. If the numbers are there, directly you can give the numbers here. You no need to give any single quotes or double quotes. And this is the array. So array. See, if you see the definition of array, array is an ordered collection of data, primitive of objective, depend on the language. Array are used to store multiple values under a single variable. I told right. So it will store the multiple values in a single variable. So now we have we just given the roll number. Now it is printing the value. Now I want to print the first value of this array. How to do? Just give this angular bracket and 0. So whenever you declare array, this is a 0 value, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So first value will be index 0, second value is 1, third value will be 2, fourth value will be 3. So now I want to print the first value. So you need to give the 0 index here. So now if you run this, it will give the first value of the array. So it is just printing the number of the array. I want to put some label here. So what you can give here, first student roll number dash 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 come. Now if you run this, it is printing the. Similarly, you want to print the second roll number. Just copy this. Second roll number. Now here you need to give 1 instead of 0. Just run this. It will give the second number. Whenever you store the values in the array, when you want to access the array element, you need to give the index. This is the index. Index nothing but which position. The first value will be index 0, second value will be 1, third value will be 2, fourth value will be 3. Likewise, if you have more values, you have to give the index. So like this get you can get the values from the array. Similarly, see here, I want to print the third one. When you want to give third, just give 2 here. Be careful here, you have to give the angular bracket, not the square bracket. This angular bracket you have to give. And this square bracket is you need to close for this. And just run this. Like this, you can declare the array first, declare and initialize. This is called declaring the variable array and initializing as well. You can do like this or you can do like this as well. Let roll number, this is a declaration. This part is called declaration. Declaration. First you are declaring the variable. Now after declaring the variable, you are printing. First you are declaring the variable, after that you are assigning the values. Assigning means nothing but you are entering some value into the roll number array. So when you run this, it will do the same thing. So first what we have done, we have declared the variable. After that we initialize. This is called initialize. Initialize. So this is the comment. Whenever you give slash slash and something, if you give, it won't execute anything. It is just for our purpose. For the person who is reading the code, for him, we want to give some message. So this nothing will work. It will just write it for our convenience to understand. So when you run this, see here, it will print the values. It does not print at this one. This is called comments. Called comments. So comments, it is just to read. It won't execute. JavaScript does not execute the comments. It will just display here for your purpose. So this is whenever you want single line comments, you have to queue like this. When you want multiple lines, see, I'll just remove this everything. See, I want to put here, this is my first JS comment. When I run this, it won't print anything. Nothing it will print because it's a comment. This is like single line comment. This is single line comment. When you want multiple line, more than one line you want, so you have to do like this, slash star, and you want to write, this is my first JavaScript multi-line comment. Now when you want to close, again you have to put star and slash. When you run this, it won't execute anything because it is a comment. Nothing will print. It is just for our reading purpose. For reading purpose. This is multiple line. You can write multiple lines here. Again, one more line you can write. This is this demo. This is JavaScript online editor. So again, if you run this, nothing will print. This is called multi-line comment. When you give slash and star, it will start. Anything you can write it. Again, you need to write star and slash, forward slash. If you run this, nothing will print because this is a comment. Now, I hope you understand this one. Now, again, what I need to tell, what is variable console at all. Okay. So today what we discuss is how to run in the online editor, how to write an online editor, and how to run an online editor, what is variable, like we declare we discuss, and the console, and even we discuss about how to how to declare array and access array. These are the 5 things we discussed today. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Please share my videos to your friends, those who are very freshers, those who don't know anything about programming. This will help. And share my videos to as much as possible to your friends. Even if you are friends also, you can share. Like I'm going to cover complete JavaScript, and nowadays there is a lot of demand for the JavaScript. um, so um, if you share, that will be great help for our society. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and um, put some comments so that it will motivate me to promote or upload more videos. Thank you.